everyone, it's Anano from Formaloo. Today, I'll explain how to create a survey and what news we have with Formaloo 3.0. Spoiler alert, it also includes updates about AI. Let's go. To create your first project, go to your dashboard. Click on New Formaloo and choose a survey. This will open up the survey dashboard with a page for results table of your survey and also its charts and analytics. You can customize these pages as you want and even add new pages to demonstrate the data of other surveys. But now, let's edit the survey and see how you can customize it. To do so, click on Edit Base. This is where you can fully customize your survey. The left canvas is where your fields showed up and you can add, edit, or remove from there. At the right side, you have sidebar that displays settings, design, and notification options. I would start by naming the survey and adding a description to give my audience an idea of the survey and why they should answer it. To personalize your form's description, select the text you want to display. Formatting options will appear automatically. From here, you'll be able to choose different fonts, font sizes, and styles, text and background colors, alignment, and insert options. Right here, you can also add company's logo and cover picture. Now, let's start adding content to your survey. Our template form already has some pre-added fields, however, let's remove them and add different fields to our survey. I'll go ahead and remove existing fields by clicking on the bin icon displayed next to questions. Once you click on the plus icon, the menu with all field types opens. Let's briefly go through all of them. Firstly, you see text category, including short and long text fields. It's usually used to gather information such as survey taker's name or other detailed answers. Contact info speaks for itself. It gathers their contact information, including email, phone, number, and website. Choice displays the most common question types, including single and multiple choice, drop-down, yes or no, like and dislike questions. Rating and ranking displays one of the most popular and efficient field types. Rating from 1 to 5, also known as CSAT, rating from 0 to 10, aka NPS, and matrix, showing grid choice for Likert scale. We'll get into them later. Then there is data and time, from which survey takers can choose. Then form structure, which contains fields to allow users to upload files and images on your form. Use the content field to write text in. The signature field allows users to sign the form before submitting it. And in other category, we have hidden field, which is used to add hidden values to your forms. Let's start adding the content to the survey. I'll start with email field so the user can enter their email. You can make this field required if needed. Then let's add text field and ask the user's full name. The drop-down field will help us categorize the departments participants are from. You can add options by simply typing in empty fields. CSAT field makes any survey more engaging. Let's edit and use emojis so participants can easily express their emotions through them. NPS is another important content. You can add descriptions for the lowest and highest scores and also define what will be the lowest and the highest number for the field. Let's go with 7. The matrix field is efficient and delivers answers on different topics. To customize it, simply add the text in the table. I will define the numbers meanings in descriptions. And yes and no and long text fields. Let's connect these two using Formaloo logic. So participants who choose no can explain themselves more. Click on the field, Logic tab will automatically open and add the following rule. Now for the addition to Formaloo 3.0. Now AI can generate your ending page unique for every participant. We just need to add the ID to the name field and answer pipe it here. Type dash icon, insert AI builder, write a prompt, use @sign and the ID we used, which is name, and choose the model of AI. Let's go with ChatGPT. And once someone's done completing the form, they'll receive a custom ending page message. Now that you've added components to the survey, let's look at what else we can do from the features displayed on the right sidebar. The first one is Settings. Under this tab, you'll have option to decide if the form is active and define the duration of the form's activity. It will not be accessible outside those timeframes. Timer option allows you to limit the time your users have to submit the form. When the user opens your form or survey, the countdown timer starts and the user won't be able to submit the form if the timer ends. This can be helpful for quizzes and tests. The IP limitation feature can help avert duplicate or excessive form submissions. This feature allows you to restrict multiple submissions from a single IP address. Send form data to redirect to URL. Enabling this feature sends the field's data with an ID to the URL that users see after submitting the form. We'll share more about this in our future videos. Features like auto-translation, showing tracking code after submission, and allow partial submits are self-explanatory. You can enable or disable them if needed. If your form includes a payment option, you can enable the Next button and decide the currency and the amount from the opened tabs. SEO and meta tags help you customize how the Formaloo link appears on social media platforms or search engines. You can upload fav icon, meta description, and meta image. All requirements are displayed once you click on the little eye icon. From here, you can decide if the survey will be indexed by search engines or not. Customizing more content lets you translate the form into any language you want. You can also automatically translate the whole form into a language. We offer English and French for now, but more languages are coming. Then we have the Design tab from where you can personalize the form. Decide whether questions are shown on one page or multiple pages, decide if titles will be shown on the first page, shuffle fields order, and so on. Then you can either choose brand-specific or preferred colors or choose from one of our default themes. You can also upload a background image for the entire survey and choose its brightness. If you'd like even more customization, you can use customized CSS for aligning the title in center, for example, or other features. We have most of them listed in our help desk articles. However, if you're looking for something specific, reach out to us and we will help you out. Then we have Notify tab, which enables you to set up email notifications for yourself, your team, and even the submitters when the form is submitted. You can do it by enabling Receive Email Notifications and putting down the email you'd like to be notified. You can even send customized emails here, which will be covered in another video. Now that you're done with the survey, it's time to share it. You can do it by clicking on Share button and just copy the link. From here, you can change the ending of your form's URL and also set the custom domain. If you've previously added your team members to your workspace, you can share the survey with them here. Watch our workspace video, also linked to this video at the top right, to learn more about the options. As you know, Formaloo is a no-code platform, so you can embed your form into your website without any code. Just copy your code from here and paste it in your website. You can choose to embed your survey using iframe, script, or even chatbot. This was us creating a survey from scratch. To make things faster, we have prepared more than 200 ready-to-customize templates for you to get started. So make sure to check them out from the top right of the video and start customizing it for your business needs. Thank you so much for watching the video. Make sure to subscribe to Formaloo's channel for more tips and see you next time. Happy Formalooing!